Hey Power Seekers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lisa Nar, and this space is for those of you who are hungry to grow, unafraid to innovate, and committed to showing up in full quality, on screen and in life. That's what being a Power Seeker is all about. Today we're diving into part 2 of our studio series. In the last video, I broke down 11 tools in 11 minutes, the exact gear I use to elevate my visuals and bring the highest quality content to you, our incredible audience. Before we jump in, I want to pause and say thank you to every subscriber who's joined us on this journey. Your support means everything. Now let's get into it. In this video, I'm sharing 5 additional tools that help me go live, stream on social platforms, and capture crystal clear footage with the Sony ZV-1 camera. From lighting to sound to smooth visuals, I've got you covered. Let's get into the details, because Power Seekers don't play about their quality. Number 1, want to protect your Sony ZV camera like a pro? Check this out. The PCTC 3-pack tempered glass screen protector is a game changer. It's ultra slim at just 0.3 millimeters, so your touch screen works flawlessly. But don't be fooled by its thinness. With 9H hardness, it's tough against scratches and smudges. Installation, a breeze, no bubbles, no haze, just crystal clear visuals. And you get 3 in a pack. Perfect for the ZV-1 and ZV-E10, but not the ZV-E10 II, so double check your model. Remember, if you're investing in a killer camera, protect it right. This screen protector is the unsung hero of your setup. Keep your screen pristine and your content looking sharp. Number 2, let's talk about leveling up your streaming game. This 4K HDMI capture card is a game changer. It's not just for your Sony ZV-1, but also for your Nintendo Switch or PS5. Imagine streaming at 1080p, 60 frames per second. That's silky smooth video, perfect for your live streams or tutorials. And it's USB 3.0, so say goodbye to lag. The best part, it's plug and play. No complicated setup. Just connect your HDMI, plug in the USB, and you're ready to go live on OBS or Zoom. It's super lightweight too, ideal for on-the-go creators. Whether you're on Mac or PC, this little powerhouse has got you covered. Trust me, for the price, you're getting studio quality output. Don't miss out on taking your content to the next level. Number 3, let's talk about the unsung hero of your setup, the micro HDMI to HDMI cable. This bad boy is a game changer for your Sony ZV-1 or any camera with micro HDMI. Picture this, 4K at 60 Hz, HDR support, and a 6-foot nylon braid that's tougher than your last breakup. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cables. Works with cameras, GoPros, even your Nintendo Switch. No more fuzzy streams or color fails. This cable's got your back, keeping your signal clean and pro. And trust me, once you go braided, you'll never go back. It's the secret sauce for a smooth running studio. Don't let a weak link ruin your content. Lights, camera, action. Let's talk about the game changer for your videos, the EMART 60 LED portable lighting kit. Picture this, 2 compact powerhouses that'll transform your setup in seconds. Perfect for your YouTube vlogs, product shots, or even those endless Zoom calls. These bad boys pack 60 high-output LEDs each with adjustable tripods for that perfect angle. And here's the kicker, color filters, red, blue, yellow, white, mix it up and set the mood. USB powered means you can plug them into anything, anywhere. Portability check, control, double check, no flicker, no bulk, no sweat. Whether you're a newbie or a pro looking to level up, this kit's got your back. Trust me, your content's about to get a serious glow up. Ready to light up your world. Number 5, upgrade your studio setup with the Beshon 15FT flat extension cord power strip. Any extension will work, but I went with this versatile power strip. Features 6 AC outlets, 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C, and a 15-foot tangle-free cord. Its ultra-thin flat plug slides behind furniture, keeping your space clutter-free. Perfect for indoor studios, dorm rooms, or travel setups. Maximize productivity, power access, and clean aesthetics in your creative space. Bonus tip, meet the Rode Wireless Go 2. This tiny powerhouse is a game changer for vloggers and podcasters. 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, perfect for interviews or duo setups. No wires, no stress. Built-in mics or plug-in lavs for crystal clear sound. Connect to anything, cameras, phones, laptops. The best part? Broadcast quality audio that's crisp and clear with backup recording just in case. It's small, sleek, and seriously powerful. But here's the real secret. Always do a mic check. Use USB for digital clarity, remember the mute button, and monitor your audio. Trust me, these tips will save you major headaches. Upgrade your content game now. Your audience will thank you. And there you have it. 5 essential tools that are leveling up my content game with the Sony ZV-1. But remember, tools alone don't create transformation. So give yourself room to experiment, fumble, adjust, and grow. Progress doesn't come from perfection. It comes from showing up. If today's video helped you in any way, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me which tool you're adding to your setup or what you're still figuring out. We're learning together, and this community is built to support that. And before I go, full transparency, as an Amazon associate, I do earn from qualifying purchases. So if you're planning to grab any of the tools I mentioned, I've included direct links in the description below. It's a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for hanging in with me, Power Seekers. Keep building, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's rise up together.